You need to watch this if you struggle with buying crypto on Trust Wallet. Let's make it simple. First, download Trust Wallet from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create a new wallet. Make sure to write down your recovery phrase and keep it safe. You'll need it if you ever lose access to your wallet. Next, tap on the Buy button at the top of the screen. Type Ethereum in the search bar and select it. Enter the amount you want to purchase. You can choose to pay with a debit or credit card. Now, follow the prompts to enter your payment details. Double-check everything and confirm your purchase. Your Ethereum will be added to your wallet in just a few minutes. To view your Ethereum, go back to the main screen and tap on Ethereum in your wallet. There it is. You can now send, receive, or just hold on to your Ethereum. And that's it. You've successfully bought Ethereum using Trust Wallet. Happy trading!